This is HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video guide I'm going to demonstrate you can stop getting emails from Pinterest. So to begin with, open the mobile app and sign into your Pinterest account obviously. Then open your Pinterest profile page, go into settings by tapping on these three dots and choosing the respective option. Onwards, enter the notifications category, then go for the by email option and check off all these fields in order to stop getting the emails once and for all. Or actually, you know what, you can just tap at this turn off all button to your top. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.